Hello guys, welcome back to another video of HTML course. So today we are going to learn about HTML quotations and citation elements. So we will go through the block quote, Q, ABBR, address, cite, video element. So let's have a look on them. So first of all, we will go through the block quote for quotations. So here is the example. Let's have a look on it. So here you can see that the text inside the block quote will be resulted in this way. Here is the paragraph tag and here is the block quotation. So this is the quotation mark text. So let's have a look on the next thing, that is for the short quotation. So let's have a look on its result. Here you can see that it will come in between the quotation marks or commas, inverted commas. Got it? Here you can see that this is the tag of Q, and the next thing is for the tag which is used for abbreviations. So let's have a look on it. Here you can see that abbreviation WHO, and the title will be World Health Organizations. When you will hover on it, then the title of it will be visible to the viewer. So this way you can use the abbreviations tag. So the next one is the address. So let's have a look on it. Got it? This text is inside the address tag and the BR is the line break. So this way the address will be visible on the result box. So the next element is the site tag. Defines the title of a creative work, a book, a poem, a song, movie, or a painting, or any sculpture. The person name is not the title of a work. The text in the site element usually rendered in italics. So let's try it out. Here you can see that the site is the name of or the title of this portrait. So this way you can cite any text by using cite tag. So the next thing is the bidirectional override. So let's have a look on it. Got it? All the text will be inverted. Video uh, directly RTL. This line will be written from right to left. Got it? So never forget to exercise the things. So let's move on to the next thing, that is the HTML comments. So the comments tag is this one. We probably use this tag to comment out the section inside our code. So let's try it out. Its example. Here you can see that the text which we will write inside the comment tag will not be visible on the result side. It's only viewable for the developer or the code writer. So the next thing is the hide content. Yes, commands can be used to hide the content. This can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. You no need to write it again and again, or whether you remove it and then you have to write it again. So rather than, you can use this tag, comment tag, to make the text or any of your piece of code hide. like this one.